In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable or remove the Meet link from your Google Calendar invitations. If you're like many people who prefer to use other conferencing tools or simply don't need a Google Meet link attached to your events, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process together to ensure that your calendar is just the way you want it. First, we need to kick off this process by opening our preferred web browser and heading over to Google. Once there, in the search bar, go ahead and type Google Calendar. Press enter and you should see the official Google Calendar link right at the top of your search results. Click on that link to access your Google Calendar. Now that we're on the Google Calendar page, look through your scheduled events and identify the specific event from which you want to remove the Meet link. Once you found that event, click on it. This action will bring up the details of the particular event, which is exactly what we need to access. As you scrutinize the event details, your next step will be to look for the edit icon. Typically, this icon looks like a pencil or a pen, and it lets you know you can make changes to the event details. Click on the edit icon to enter the editing mode for your event. With the editing window open, you'll see various elements related to your event. What you're interested in here is the section that contains the Google Meet link. Alongside this link, you'll find a small X icon. Hover over to this X and click it. By doing this, you are effectively removing the Google Meet connection from this event. This action is crucial if you want an event without video conferencing capabilities or if you want to use a different tool. Now that you have removed the Meet link, it's important to solidify this change at the top or the bottom of the editing window. You will find a Save button. Go ahead and click that button. This will save the changes you've made and update the event on your calendar without the Google Meet link. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar event now appears without an attached Google Meet link, just as you intended. It's as simple as that. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now more comfortable managing your calendar the way you want. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tech tips and tutorials.